Now, while we're talking about Hyundai, Korea's largest automaker has been trying to give itself somewhat of an image overhaul.
Right. It has set its sights on becoming a premium brand by expanding sales of its high-end sedans instead of its traditional cheap and cheerful models, which made the automaker such a hit in the first place.
Yes, for this week's Industry Insight, here's our Song Ji-sun.
This is a crossroad in Seoul's rich and hip Gangnam district, where imported car showrooms are peppered along the street. Just across Mercedes Benz and BMW, Hyundai Motor recently opened its first brand exhibition gallery called Motor Studio, underlining the Korean automaker's ambition to upgrade its brand image. Hyundai's premium sedan model, the Genesis, is rotating on a wall, showcasing its platform. The launch of this brand gallery underscores Group Chairman Chung Mong-gu's ambition to brand Hyundai Motor as a premium automaker. Hyundai has been struggling in the U.S. market this year, losing ground to Japanese automakers, which have benefited from a combination of the weakened Japanese yen and discount promotions. Hyundai aims to counter by emphasizing its high-end line of automobiles, something it hopes will boost its brand image and ultimately sales across the board. Early signs are encouraging in the all-important U.S. market. The automaker's overall market share in the U.S. is in the mid-4% range, but its share in the luxury car market was at nearly 7% last year. Hyundai aims to push that mark to 8% by the end of this year. If the goals are achieved, the new Genesis sedan will be the reason. It's the focal point of the company's strategy in the United States. Hyundai says the sedan's performance is on par with BMW 7 Series, but is priced about 10% lower than its targeted competition, the BMW 5 Series. Sales of Genesis in the U.S. more than doubled in June from the beginning of this year after launching the new model. That boosted the sales portion of mid to large-size sedans from 53% last year to 56% by end of July. But experts say Hyundai has a long way to go before it can sell itself as a high-end automaker.
It marks only the beginning for Hyundai's challenge to become a premium brand in all aspects. For instance, when BMW launches its new 5 Series, they improve a lot on the performance by reducing its weight by at least 100 kilograms and enhancing its output by 15%. Hyundai must focus on competency when launching new models, as they seem to lack that improvement with heavier weights and less fuel efficiency.
And those same rules apply in the domestic market, where combined shares of Hyundai and Kia Motors at home last month dipped below 70% for the first time in 7 years, as more consumers turn to German diesel models with higher fuel efficiencies. Song Ji-sun, Arirang News.